Hey. Happy Monday. It's Monday today. Yeah. So my message for today on this good Monday while I'm inside the office is breaking generational curses. A lot of times we are called to step into our calling and we don't want to do it. It requires a lot of us to break some generational curses. It's important that you know that it's time. When it's time to rise above your past, it's important for you to be willing to let go of things of the past. That's those habits, that's those people that are keeping you stuck. Some trauma, bad memories, and simply having fun. You know, sometimes we can have fun in positive ways versus the negative. So letting go of past cycles, not letting it control us, not letting our habits control us, and taking better care of yourself. If you are somebody that abuses your body, now abuse, when you're abusing your body, it can be with smoking, drinking alcohol. I'm gonna add in there overeating, because me, myself, and I love to eat. So we have a thing called emotional eating. And many times things that have hurt us from the past affect our future. So that's why it's important to break generational curses that are within our bloodlines. And when we think about self-care, it's okay to be selfish. A lot of times we need to be selfish so that we can move forward with our lives. So if you're not investing time in yourself, if you're not investing effort, if you're not disciplining yourself, you will fall behind in life and you will be stuck, and you will be looking at people around you like, well, how did they do this? Or why them and not me? It's because they were disciplined. They kept moving. They knew that life is a cycle that goes round and round, or things are everlasting changes. When we hear the word everlasting, we're thinking like, okay, that's going to last a long time. No, I meant to say everlasting changes. We're always transitioning. And if you're not transitioning, something's wrong with you. So that's why I wanted to spread the message about breaking those generational curses, rising above your past, and taking better care of yourself, being selfish with you, be selfish with your finances. It's okay. It's okay to say no, and it's okay to walk away from things that no longer serve you. The last thing for today is wisdom. Life experience teaches us. That is the best teacher. And however you decide to use your wisdom that you've gained throughout the years of your life, that will determine your success. Now, if you get into some things and you don't correct it and you just keep moving and you continue in that same cycle, that downward spiral, and you just keep on messing up. I was going to say effing up, but I'm changing my ways. If you just keep on effing up, that's what it's going to be. Don't look at the other people that's around you and ask for help when you already know that you didn't put in enough effort. You weren't willing to sacrifice and to change. So on today, I'm just here to simply encourage you to not only take a look in the mirror, but change.